So that she cut off. That's a no-no, honey. That's a no-no. I can't resist this. Well, at least we can have fun with it. Here comes the ride. Flowers. Flowers. Okay, so we'll see you in a second.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Tamika. So as you can tell by the title, this is my third big chop. I cannot believe I am back at this again, but as you can see, my hair, it is long. Actually my front hair length came all the way down just a little bit past my nose, and I just decided to just chop my hair off because, for one, I'm just tired of all the work that has to be done with medium length hair. Even though my hair was tapered, it was in a mohawk, it was still a lot of maintenance. So as you can see, I am chopping my hair off with cutting shears. I couldn't find it, but I ended up finding them actually today after I, just snipped a little bit more of my hair, but you'll see that a little bit later. But here I'm just cutting the back of it. I'm just trying to figure it all out. I did a lot of research on YouTube of different haircuts. There was times that I just wanted to just shave it all off or just do a straight buzz cut. It was just a lot going on, and I don't know, I just decided to just chop my hair off. I just feel like being natural with a short cut is more manageable. I want to be able to just get up and go. I'm tired of doing little twist outs, and I just never seen the purpose of having natural hair and your hair is long if all you're going to do is put it in a protective style. So to me, that didn't make sense. By me being natural, I want to wear my own hair. So my plan is just keep it in a cut. I don't want it to grow out because it's just too much maintenance. When I was relaxed and had pixie cuts, I didn't really like those because you had to constantly curl your hair, and I was one of those girls that I would just get in the mirror and just try it out and just curl my own hair because, it just took a lot of maintenance just to curl your own hair, and I was only able to go to the hairdresser like once a month when I was younger. But when I got older, it was like, shoot, I can just curl my own hair. It doesn't matter. But I don't know. I just like being natural, and I just prefer to stay that way. But I prefer to to have a natural haircut. I mean, a natural short cut. Just be natural and have a short pixie cut. So as you see, I'm still trying to figure it out and cut. My goal was to have it short in the back and just a little bit long in the front. But that didn't work out for me because I was like, nope, I still got to twist my hair, and I don't want to do that. I want to be able to just spray my hair with water, zhuzh it up with some gel and some cream and oil, and just go out the door. I don't want to have to twist any hair. That's ridiculous. I don't need to do that. So I'm just showing the back part of my hair, and I don't know. I don't even know why the color is looking so different in the background when I'm still in the bathroom. So as you see here, I am in the front of my hair now. I finally made it to the front, and I'm just chopping away. I was trying to go in the angle so that it can be, longer in the front and then blend in and go short. Yeah, get your angles right, girl. I still ended up cutting all of that off. So that length that you see, where I'm chopping it off at, I chopped it off even lower as of today. So I just can't keep the scissors out my hands. So sorry. And for those beauticians out there, I know you're probably cringing like, girl, you're not even using shears and you're just cutting the wrong way. What are you doing? I know. Just remember, it's just hair. if you don't know what you're doing, like me, go to a beautician. Because of the pandemic, it's just too much. I don't have time for that. Just get in here and cut my own hair like I've always been doing. But it would be nice to go to a beautician and get my hair cut. I haven't done that since I've been natural. London is like clapping on the side, as you can see. Yeah, as I said, I cut even more. I did try to let my sides grow a little bit, which they have grown some where I can pull on it, but I don't know. It's just something about a taper cut that is growing out of its look. It just looks unkept, in my opinion, and is one of those things where it's either you stay in hiding or you wear a wig, and I'm not doing neither one of those. So I just went ahead and just shave the sides of my hair, which you will not see because you won't see it. But I wet my hair just to get an idea of how much hair I'm going to be dealing with. And I realized I have too much hair. So I'm not in the mood for that. So away I go with the snipping. I am going to get my razor. No, I think I'm getting the clippers. In a second, you'll see that. So I got the little guard and I just started trying to do something in the back. I mean, I just went crazy. I just started shaving. And yeah, my hair was wet. Yeah. That's something you should not do. London was trying to film, but, you know, asking an 8-year-old to hold the camera steady is just not going to work. I mean, it was to the point where I told her, just please go sit down somewhere. All right, so let's skip over that. Move. She tried to tell me I had like a bald spot. But anywho, this is the final result. Actually, this was yesterday. All right, so yeah, that was, I think, yesterday, that picture that I took. So today, as you can see, I actually went in with my shears because I found them, and I chopped off more because my hair was a little bit taller, and I chopped off more on my hair. So instead of letting all of this grow out, I just kept this part, which was growing out, and then I just kind of shaved that down a little bit more. So this is my hair that used to be shaved a couple of weeks ago, which now I have some length to pull. So I'm gonna grow this out and keep this part shaved. So I still kept the mohawk look in the back. I still kept that. And then, as I said here, I'm trying to grow this side out up here so it can match this. So I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I just want to grow these sides out since the line used to be right there. Now it's going to come down right here. But anywho, like I said, I'm going to keep my hair as a shortcut. I'm not going to try and grow it out, not that I know of anyway. Yeah, I don't know, I just like short hair. Very becoming of me. So next I'm just going to do a little video of me how I style my hair, how quick and easy it is for me to style my hair within 5 minutes. So I can't wait to do that video for you guys, so stay tuned and I will chat with you guys later. Bye. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. As I stated last week, I'm going to be doing home decor, renovations, hair videos, which is not going to be that much anyway, but and also what else was I was trying to do? Oh, and my weight loss, and that's like my biggest thing there is weight loss and hair. So anywho, just stay tuned for more content every week. I didn't get this out yesterday as the storm because I live in Florida. So please forgive me, but it's going up today, which is Thursday. Anywho, I will chat with you guys later. Bye.